Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 1.2% in the last two sessions. The ATR is cooling down and is now giving a low volatility signal. Bitcoin has gained 3.9% in the last three sessions. The CCI has receded into the neutral zone. The price of gold has added 2.6% in the last two sessions. The ATR is cooling down and is now giving a low volatility signal. The price of crude oil has fallen 4.2% in the last two sessions. The RSI is losing steam and is now giving a negative signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices fell 3%, while Libya's crude oil output increased sharply to 1,036,035 barrels per day. Sterling bounced against the dollar but fell against the euro as EU Internal Market Commissioner Breton gave the Brexit deal a 50-50 chance. The dollar sank to its lowest level in over 2 months against a basket of peer currencies as the long battle for the U.S. presidency came to a close.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Swiss unemployment rate will be released at 4:45 GMT, the German trade balance at 500 GMT. The Eurozone Centix investor confidence at 7:30 GMT. The Canadian housing starts at 11:15 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 14:30 GMT, and the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 14:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.